We are thrilled to announce an upcoming major release of Exposure coming out this fall. Exposure X5 will be brimming with powerful new features that expand its capabilities as the best photo editor for creative photographers available. We have made dramatic improvements to masking in Exposure, offering new levels of creative flexibility. Easily define where to apply image adjustments based on luminance, saturation, or hue. Make and manage complicated selections with new streamlined tools. For example, you can select and adjust lighter or darker values in the image, the foreground or background, the sky or skin tones easily. These new masking tools work seamlessly with Exposure's existing brushing and gradients to allow even more flexibility. Exposure's lens correction tools now provide a complete set of adjustments. Vignette correction counteracts darkening around the edges of photos, and chromatic aberration correction addresses focus differences caused by lens refraction. Both corrections can be applied via lens profile or through manual adjustment if greater control is desired. And Exposure's lens distortion correction now has manual pincushion and barrel adjustments to complement the profile-based correction. New custom camera profiles provide the control to make every raw file shine straight out of the camera. Custom profiles enable you to precisely tune the rendering of raw images. This makes real-world color reproduction possible, and includes support of color checker cards for measured lighting conditions. DCP profiles can be automatically applied to images from a particular camera model, serial number, lens, or even ISO range. Also in the update are several new presets. There are gorgeous, light and airy looks, vivid season-inspired presets, and new Ilford, Kodak, and Polaroid black and white films. Additionally, we've made a number of improvements requested by loyal Exposure users, including new image flip options, support for single-channel grayscale images, and more camera and lens support. If you haven't tried Exposure, now is the perfect time. If you purchase Exposure X4 now, you'll get the Exposure X5 update free when it's released.